Here we have an equation. In the given equation, k and n are constants and n is greater than 1. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? Here we have a linear equation in one variable. There are two constants over here, k and n, and our aim is to get the value of the constant k. Okay, before we start solving this problem, let's understand some stuff about the solution of a linear equation in one variable. Okay, let me consider a linear equation in one variable, that is ax positive b equals to cx positive d. Now let me consider the coefficients of x on the left side and right side, I mean a and c. Let's say the value of a and value of c are not equal. In that case, this linear equation will have only one solution. Let me write the stuff over here. Only one solution if the coefficient of x on the left side, coefficient of x on the right side are not equal. Now let me consider the second case. That is, the coefficient of x on the left side, coefficient of x on the right side are equal. The constant on the left side b, the constant on the right side are also equal. That is, b equals to d. In this case, the given equation will have infinitely many solutions. Let me write the stuff over here. Infinitely many solutions. Now let me consider the third case. That is the coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side are equal. That is, a and c are equal, but the constants are not equal. That is, b and d are not equal. In this case, the given equation has no solution. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to write the given equation exactly in this form. On the right side, already we have the stuff in this form cx positive d. So on the left side, we have to write this stuff in this form ax positive b. We can distribute these two to this kx and negative n. Then I'm getting 2kx negative 2n equals to negative 28 over 15x and negative 36 over 19. Now we have the given equation exactly in this form. Since the given equation has no solution, we have to consider the third case we have over here. That is, the coefficient of x on the left side, coefficient of x on the right side are equal. The constants are not equal. In this equation, the coefficient of x on the left side is 2k. It must be equal to the coefficient of x on the right side, that is negative 28 over 15. The constant on the left side is negative 2n, which is not equal to the constant on the right side, that is negative 36 over 19. Since our aim is to get the value of k, let's consider this equation which contains k. Now to solve for k, we have to get rid of this 2, which is multiplied by k. For that, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 2. Okay, here this 2 will cancel out. Here 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 28 14 times. We have k on the left side. On the right side, we have negative 14 over 15. Here I got the value of k. The value of k is negative 14 over 15.